Cousins, do I have something for you? You been wanting easy midway wigs? Huh? This is high mid though. I ain't gonna hold you. This is high mid in a mug, okay? So, I don't know how y'all want to approach it. I'm sauced up off that coffee. Y'all know. Let's get lifted. Let's get lifted. I don't think that's how he did the song. But he did say let's get lifted. Some days it's rainy, some days it's cold, some days it's warm. Bam, I got you.
Y'all got to tap into this.
And pull that drawstring in this wig shit. Oh my gosh. You don't want to deal with all of the lace and all of the things and all of the melting. Don't I be having y'all? People don't know that. I be having y'all. Y'all know me. I'm about to go downstairs and prance around my husband.
I'm about to go prance like a mug.
Y'all, this is so cute. Let me tell you something while Sheila is drying upon my head. If y'all have not tapped into the flip over half wig, baby, I don't know what you waiting for. It's too easy. It's hot in North Carolina. It's hot some days. Some days it's rainy, some days it's cold, some days it's warm. But some days it's hot and you don't want to deal with lace. Y'all been telling me, give us some mid. Give us some mid. We're in the season of mid. Give us some midway options with no lace, no hassle, no skill required. Bam, I got you.
Y'all got to tap into this.
This is cute. And you don't even need a leave out, y'all. I'm going to show you, of course. You don't even need a leave out, kid. You just kind of finagle it, just like that. You see how I did that? You see how I finagled it right there? Yeah, I'm hyped. This is so cute. I've already done one of ISEE Hair's flip over half wigs. You're not gonna beat the fit. There's combs all around. There's a drawstring in the back. Baby, when you put this on, I forgot for a second that it had a drawstring. Once I remember, the wig was already on. I was already finagling with it. The combs already had it secure. So, baby, when I adjusted and pulled that drawstring and this wig shit. Oh my gosh. Shout proof, fight proof, club proof, 90s dance, house party dance proof, all of the things. This wig is not revival on the 7th day proof, baby. Huh? Resurrection Sunday service proof, because you know that's when the preachers get, because all the visitors and stuff coming, so they get to showing out and stuff, busting house. This wig is not going anywhere. We got the little highlights. Y'all, this is so cute. And it's almost dry. It's just not all the way, but it's already ready to go. Very easy, very easy. Y'all asking for these easy bops. Some of y'all want the wigs that look like it's a serious flex. And it is, but it's a midway. It's in the middle. You don't want to deal with all of the lace and all of the things and all of the melting sometimes. Sometimes you do, but sometimes you don't. Sometimes you want to flop it on and get going. Don't I be having y'all? People don't know that. I be having y'all. I'm about to go downstairs and prance around my husband.
I'm about to go prance like a mug.
Honey, I'll be riling my husband up. Y'all be riling y'all husbands in the middle of the work day, just to go back and get back to work. Just have them thinking about it throughout the day. You know, have them thinking about it. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? But you got to be careful, because if your husband is anything like mine, you ain't just gonna be prancing around and flapping that mouth all day. He gonna ask you to cash that check. Huh? Y'all know I'm gonna make this bigger. Y'all know I'm gonna make this bigger because y'all know me. Y'all know your cousin, okay? Y'all know. Listen, I'm wound up off that coffee. That's the only calorie that I'm gonna have all day today, okay? No food today. I'm sauced up off that coffee. Let's get lifted. Oh, let's get lifted. I don't think that's how he did the song, but he did say let's get lifted. I just be like this. High on life and satisfaction and joy. Huh? Some of y'all be mad about that. I see the comments. Some of y'all be mad of my joy and my big old microphone. Y'all be angry with me, but I like microphones. Y'all done seen my face before. Y'all seen it? Y'all have seen it. Don't do my microphone like that. Y'all be upset with me, but don't be upset with me, y'all. I love y'all, okay? I'm just gonna let it continue to dry. It's air drying. I'm not, I'm just flipping and flopping through the house while it air dries. But honey, Tap into these flip over halfway. It does make a difference. The front part does make a difference, y'all, how this is constructed. Okay, it makes it so easy in this front area. You don't want to have to worry, and you do not want to have to fret. Hit that subscribe button, because God ain't through with me yet. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you can join the family and join the fun. Hold a minute.
Time takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time, we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, babe? Promise me we'll never fall. Time took a toll on us, I'll say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for you to change. Oh, time, we got older, babe, yeah, but I wanna stay with you, and don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Tell me now if you will go with me all the way. Hey, hey, every night, every day, promise we'll never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall. Promise now you gonna love me. Love me with my flaws and all. Will we be enough, baby? Promise me we'll never fall, never fall. Promise me. Vibes with my friends.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I hours for us, you do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck, I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions, I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions, now you under my submission like, woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Count down for me. 5, 4,